Hi, in this tutorial we will learn how to remove duplicate items from a worksheet. So suppose we are having these rows and we want to remove rows which are having duplicate order ID. So how will you do that? So first of all you have to select the data, and then you have to go to data tab in your ribbon. Here you will see remove duplicates, so click on that and then see that removal of rows should depend on which column. So if you just want only order ID to be considered, then just select order ID, and while others other columns can remain as it is, like unchecked. And if you click on OK, so all the rows which had duplicate order ID will get deleted. So in this case, two duplicate values were found in the order ID column, and those are removed, and only 6 unique order ID values are retained. So click on OK, and here we have this table without any, and here we have this data set without any duplicate rows. If we'll just undo, and what you want to do is we want to not just depend on this, but you should also depend on all the columns. So if all the columns are same, then only they should be deleted, the rows should be deleted, or else those can be kept as unique. So in that case you will just go to data again, and there you will go to remove duplicates, but in this case you will just keep all of them checked, and there were no duplicate values found. So just to check that further, if you will just duplicate one row and then again select the table and then go to remove duplicates, and keep all the columns selected and then click on OK, then one duplicate row was found and that is deleted, and only 8 unique rows are kept, because all of these have some distinct data within them, because of which they are not absolutely same, and that is why they are unique, and hence they are not deleted when you select remove duplicates. But had it been, let's say, just the order ID, or even for example ship mode, so let's try that. In this case we are removing duplicates by ship mode. So click on remove duplicates and then just select ship mode, and only 2 are kept, rest of them are deleted, because only 2 of these were unique. You can also apply conditional formatting to duplicates by going to highlight cells rules and then clicking on duplicate values. So here the duplicate values are highlighted, so values which are duplicate, those are highlighted. So this is how you remove duplicate values from a given data set in Microsoft Excel.
Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you liked it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you didn't, then leave a comment so that we can improve it further. Do watch these suggested tutorials to learn even more, and do let us know what you want to learn on Being Skilled.